Hello everyone, welcome back my dear friends on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing great. My dear friends, this video is going to give you very beautiful ideas and designs of crochet newborn baby hats. These newborn baby hats are so cute and they look super stylish also. And one more thing that along with style and beauty, they are actually an important thing for your babies when they are newborn ones, because when babies are born they come out of a warm moist environment, that is the womb, and into one that can be downright chilly, and that's why nurses immediately cover their tiny heads with those precious knit hats or crochet hats. But after your newborn leaves the hospital, he doesn't need to wear a hat all the times unless it's fall or winter or your house is very cold. But keep one thing in your mind, that you have to be careful about the climate, about the season, the weather requirements, because the babies are so delicate and they need to be looked after very carefully. Sometimes some people say, like some doctors and so many other people who do researches on these topics, they say that healthy and full-term infants don't need to wear a cap once they get home, but I think that it is essential for the babies. Although if you think your baby looks adorable in a cap, feel free to keep putting one on him as long as he seems comfortable. But once he acts fussy or looks flushed or overheated while he's wearing a hat, take it off to see if he's more content with that. So, my dear friends, these are beautiful crochet newborn baby boy hats. If you are having baby boys, or you are about to having, or you are expecting a baby in the near future, or any of your friends is expecting a baby boy in the near future, you can make these kind of beautiful hats by getting ideas from my videos, and you can present as a gift to your friend. This would be amazing to gift someone. And there are so many color schemes, pattern ideas, and so many beautiful, stylish, and innovative designs that you would be loving. If you are having plenty of free time and you are trying to make something, you are searching for ideas to make beautiful baby hats, then this video is for you, because you have to watch the video till the end and you would be find more and more beautiful and stylish designs for your baby's hats. Even some people or some women are staying at home and they want to make these kind of things that can make them earn profit. So if you are one of the persons who tries to sell these things, you can get ideas from the videos, make these beautiful pieces and sell them to the people who are actually searching for them in the markets. It would be quite comfortable for their kids, because crochet is such a comfortable thing that it gives you pleasure, it gives you comfort, it gives you peace, and it gives you style at the same time. So crochet is always love to wear. You can see these beautiful hats are so pretty, and the babies wearing them are looking so comfortable, because crochet is always the name of a comfort. Look at this one, it is having animal ear like a pattern and it is looking so beautiful in a single color. And this one is having two or three colors and it is also looking so beautiful. It is also in the animal shaped, having eyes and a look of the animals, because the babies love to wear these kind of things. This one is also so cute, so beautiful, following an animal pattern again, and this one is having two colors looking so prominent and so bright. This one having green and white color is also so beautiful, and I hope you are going to love it too. This is so cute, so stylish. Look at this one is also so cute, having three colors, red, white and green, and the socks that the baby is wearing also match with this. So it is also an idea for all the mummies. If you want to make a hat that looks so cute and you want to make all the other accessories matching with that, you can get ideas for that. You can use the same colors or same yarn. For example, this baby is having a brown hat and the matching boots too, and these are, I think, made of the same kind of yarn, and these look so cute while baby wears matching accessories. And this one is having two colors and it is also looking so cute and so beautiful. And these are all super stylish and super cute. You can see this one in the pink color is also so cute. You can make whatever the things you want in the same color. You can, if you are trying to make these for your baby boys, you can make hats and other dress kind of things in the same matching. For example, this baby is wearing gray colored the same outfit and all other accessories, and it's up to you if you want to go in contrast or if you want to go in combination. So my dear friends, these are all designs and pretty ideas for you if you want to follow and make your own hats for your baby boys, and if you are a grandmother who wants to create these things for the grandbabies. So these are beautiful designs and super stylish, and I hope you are loving all these designs. So my dear friends, I request you, if you are here on my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates in the future, and also like my video, share it with your friends and other members, and support me. And I am so thankful to you for supporting me, for encouraging me, for boosting my confidence, and for showing positivity and kind gestures toward my work. So many best wishes and prayers for you. May Almighty keep all of us healthy, happy, safe, and secure, and may we enjoy all the bounties on the earth. So, we will meet in another video very soon. Till then, please take care of yourselves and your families, and do not go outside. Follow the official guidelines. Thank you.